move to the next topic. Next topic is between. Okay, so between, why we use between? Between is to find the data range, given range. Okay, so values can be numbers, text, and dates. Okay, so begins and ends also included. Starts with this, and ending point also will be declared. Okay, so I want to know the list of employees who is drawing 1,000 to 4,000. I want the list of employees whose salary is between 1,000 to 3,000. Okay, so let's write a query. Select star from JCEMP. Okay, so where salary between 1,000 to 3,000. Okay, so now let's execute this. We will have to just a minute, please. So let's refer the correct syntax. And I think I'm done. Yeah. Right, not to, sorry, guys. And okay, so now let's execute this query. Okay, so here you can see the employees, like 1,300, 1,500. Okay, so we will start it with salary so that you can understand clear. The visibility looks good, so that is the reason we'll sort the data. So start by ascending order. So default is ascending order. Execute this. Okay, so you can see here 1,100, 1,250, 1,300. It's keep on getting increased. Okay, so like I want the salary between the employees who's between 2,000 to 3,000. Okay, so what is the syntax for that? So here 2,000. Okay, so 2,000, the given range values also will be included. Okay, so here 2,000, 214, 2450, 2850, 2978. So like this. So here both will be considered. Okay, so in the between, so inclusive of begin and ending values. What is the beginning and ending values here in the SQL? Beginning value is 2,000 and ending value is 3,000. So those values also, if it is matches in the data in the database, those data also will be retrieved. Okay, so is it clear, guys? So yeah, so follow this, execute this in your system. Okay, you can understand. Right. So now let's let me. I think I have saved this in. Yeah. Now close. Now what is the next topic? Okay, so between is completed. The next topic is column aliases. Aliases we can give. What is the purpose of giving aliases? SQL aliases are used to given a table or a column name, a temporary name. So temporary alter name we can give during while calling while giving a table name, column name, and all. Okay, so here aliases are used to given a table or a column name for a temporary purpose. Column names are often used to make names are more readable format. So there are some scenarios where you can't understand the short form of the column name. So here we can give aliases. Aliases only exist during the query only. So it is a temporary purpose during the while building the query, the select statement, that only where we will extracting the data from database. During the scenario only, we will use this aliases. Aliases are created with the as syntax, as will provide. Okay. So here you can see the column alias and table alias here. So column aliases are select column name, column underscore name as alias name, alias underscore name. And similarly, we can provide for select columns, list of columns from table name table name as alias name. So we can provide both the ways. Okay. So now let's so here we have employee number short form. So let's provide select EMP number as employee ID. Employee ID. Okay. And so E name, short form. So short forms, what we can do as employee name. Okay. And job as employee designation. Okay. And the next one is salary as employee from okay employee order by employee number. Or like if you don't want, if you want to give, you can give, otherwise no. And how you can give table alias as employee. Okay. So these are column aliases, and this is table alias. Okay. At the table aliases will provide. So these are aliases are provided the query purpose only. See here, employee ID, employee name, employee designation, employee salary, like that. So when displaying the report, these aliases will be provided. Okay. So that's it for today's session. So tomorrow's session will come up with a new topic, joins. So we'll be covering joins in the next class. So joins, what are the different kinds of joins, and we'll discuss in the next class. Okay. So here to work with joins, I need to create department table also. So that I will create. Okay. So thank you guys for watching this video till now. So please learn SQL in a easily and simplified manner by these videos. Okay. So here they have created a playlist. Okay. So what you can do is simply go to Jesse, youtube.com by Jesse Kota. And here what you can do is you can go to playlist. Okay. So here you can see learn SQL. Okay. So here already I have posted 2 videos, class 1 and class 2. Okay. So now this will be uploaded. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you. Have a great day.